Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to today's analysis. So we'll be starting off with the pound dollar, and of course, as usual, before we go into today's analysis with pound dollars and the rest of it, I will first be looking at the fundamentals for today, of which we'll be using a factory. And I already have actually lined up right here, so that means just push into today's news on Forex factory. And then today, first you can see today is January 20th, being Tuesday, and using the Nigerian time. The major came up around 8 a.m., which was the pound dollar. Of it has happened already, and then the next one is on pound dollar, which is still going to be happening by 10:45 a.m. Which some few hours from now. After that, I don't think we have any coming up from the United States dollars. So that means our technicals we are good with fundamentals. So let's go straight to technicals. All right, on technicals, we'll be starting up the pound dollar, and of course, as usual, marking out the previous structures. This is for E4 first, then our previous high, our next high is actually marked. So the recent high, which is this level where we anticipate the market to get yesterday, it's actually just gotten there. Then the low, I don't think we actually need the low for now. So what we don't want to expect now is for the market to actually break above this for us to continue with this movement right here. So let's take this way. They're going to the energy time frame. Since we're already on the next high level around here, I remember we're already making series of higher highs and higher lows, telling us that the market is currently making or moving in the upward trend. So that means we want to see a breakout out of this, then probably a minor pullback, then we see the market closing above that level of pullback or the rejection that we think of going long on that. That said, I'm currently very much bullish on the pound dollar. So let's see what will happen when the market goes above this zone or move into this zone. So I'll be more than glad if I can see confirmation signs on the bullish aspect. Well, that said, I'll be going straight to the next one, which is going to be the BTCUSD. And of course, the BTCUSD is currently on the 90,000 level. Also, it's still around 90,000, but then approximately 90,000. But if you actually want to get a big value, it's currently on 90,724 level. But then still going to the H4 to mark the structure. Of course, they are actually anticipated on the bearish part of this. Where I said I'm not really too comfortable with the day when my pairs are actually moving against each other. I'm sure you know my pairs right now: the pound dollar, the BTCUSD, and XAUUSD. I say I really don't like it when they're actually moving in contrary to another, and that really happened yesterday, where the BTCUSD actually give us the bearish signs and the code gave us bullish, and of course you can see that around the bears already moving to the so let's see what really happens at this level right here. We can see probably maybe a moving to this, then we can see a continuation and change of momentum into the bullish. I'll be more than glad as we go bullish on this. Otherwise, I don't think I'll be looking up for any other trade like the bearish on this level. I'm currently very much bullish, and since I'm bullish, that means I just want to see the market here. From what you can see the momentum of this candlestick. Comparing it to this, you can see there's actually a change in momentum. So let's see what really happens when the market gets here. You can see rejection, there may be continuation of the candle, the bullish candle closing above the rejection. There will be more than glad on it going on a bullish aspect of it. That said, my fingers are crossed as I wait to see what really happens as it goes by. That said, I'll definitely keep you informed with my analysis. Remember, we do this every single day, dropping analysis on what I'll be looking at on each single day. That's it. I'm currently bullish on the pound dollar and the BTC Going to the next one, which is going to be gold. All right, I'm going today on the H4. They actually say gold is going to be bullish. Just we saw it right here yesterday. Gold is already bullish. So let's see if we see more trade for us to go long. Remember, what actually give confirmation is change of structure, giving us new series of higher highs and higher lows. But then for now, we really don't see any sign of we are going long on this instead of chasing the market. We're going to go long on this. We're going to put a stop loss on there, and that will be like chasing the market because this is not really a confirmed structure yet. So for now, I'm not going to do any trade on gold right now. So I'm just waiting for maybe a pullback. You can get a pullback into a expected zone, a zone where I'll be more than glad on going long. Definitely, I'll be more than glad on doing that. But for now, fingers are crossed as I see what really happens on gold. I'll be more than glad if I can see probably maybe the gold actually moving next to this zone. Oh, sorry, please. If I can see gold actually moving, let me mark this level as first. Moving to this zone right here, something like that. Moving to this zone, I'll be more than glad on going long first to this level. Then from there, you can see a breakout there. I'll be more than glad to continue moving in that level. But that's what I've actually been looking at on Go for here. The market already broken above our previous structure, so just have to let the market run until it gets back to our analysis. Alright, that's going to be the end of the analysis, and of course on Forex market where we analyze the pound dollar, the BTCUSD and XAUUSD. Remember, you can drop a comment in the comment section. If you're watching this on Facebook, make sure you hit the follow button. If you're watching it on YouTube, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and please the bell icon is actually very important and very necessary to get reminded once we drop the next video. That said, please stay safe and please don't risk more than you can afford to lose. I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead.